have failed, I meddle in things that man must leave alone.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the Snakes and Ladders tutorial section. So we've got some really cool bits for you this time. We've got a couple of different gaffs. So we've got the snake reveal. You can kind of do a colour change. It will change into the shape of an 8 of diamonds as the reveal. And then you can kind of shake the card and then it will change into their actual selection. And then we've also got a snake pop-out gaff. So this is really cool, and I've come up with a really simple and easy to make. So there isn't too much crazy arts and crafts with this one. It's just a couple of cuts, bit glue, and then you're off. It literally takes 5 minutes to make, I promise. Okay. Of course, we've got our trademark flipbook animation. This time we've really gone to town with it with some kind of 3D style, hand-drawn illustrations. But it works really nice, and the animation looks beautiful. You can use it to add narrative, and also it doubles up as a marked deck. So I will take you through everything you need to know about how to read the backs, and then I'll show you how I use it in a kind of gambling demonstration. Let's just get straight into it, and we're going to start off with the 8 of diamonds snake reveal. We're going to start in a shuffle position, nice and cut. And all I need you to do is just touch any card, so it doesn't matter, just touch the card. This one, yeah. Show the camera, don't show. Right, I'm not going to look, but I'm going to put that back in the middle somewhere, so it goes somewhere towards the middle. And I'm just going to give this one last shuffle. Now, if I snap, I can have a friend join us. So this snake here, if you watch closely, wave my hand over, you can see the snake will change shape. You say that looks like, that kind of looks like an 8 of diamonds maybe.
8 of diamonds,
8
right.
of diamonds, yeah? So check it, if I just snap, you can see here, 8 of diamonds.
We did have an 8 of diamonds.
So in a second, I'm just going to ask you to touch any card, and then we're going to place that card in between your hands so I can't get to it. So just touch any card you like, it doesn't matter which one. And what I want you to do is just hold out your left hand for me. Left hand, we're going to place the card there, that's it, and your hand on the other side. I'm going to wake the deck up. So you can see in here.
What's it gonna do?
Whoa! You can see an actual snake pops out.
It's gone.
Take the corner.
There's a piece in the corner.
And the snake disappears as well. Oh. And it fits perfectly. Look, you can see it fits perfectly. Look. If I put it back together, look, it fits.
No freaking way.
It fits perfectly.
What just happened? That's my 4 of clubs. Where's the snake?